In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful framework in FigJam. First, log into figma.com, then click FigJam in the top right to open a fresh board. Think of this board as your flexible canvas, perfect for planning, mapping ideas, and aligning a team. We'll begin by establishing structure. If you want to jumpstart, explore the Figma community or the built-in FigJam template library. You'll find ready-made mind maps, user flows, retrospectives, and information architecture layouts that you can adapt. If you prefer to build your own, start with basic shapes. Use rectangles to mark content areas, circles to represent decisions or key moments, and arrows or lines to show connections. Then define your sections. With the Frame tool, draw clear zones for different parts of your framework, like goals, research, flow, and outcomes. Keep spacing consistent and use alignment guides to create a tidy grid you can expand over time. Next, keep everything clean and hierarchical. Limit your colors to grayscale or a very small palette so the content remains the star. For type, stick to no more than 2 fonts. Use size, weight, and color to build a clear hierarchy. Large, bold headings, medium subheads, and a readable body style. Set these early and reuse them so your board feels cohesive. For visuals, you don't need polished graphics. Sketch placeholders with simple boxes marked with an X for images. Drop in minimal icons to label sections, and use small triangles to indicate play buttons on video areas. Consistency beats complexity. Now focus on flow and logic. Use straight or curved connector lines to show relationships, user paths, or data moving between steps. Keep lines neat with intentional arrowheads and avoid crossings when possible. For brainstorming, add sticky notes to capture ideas, tasks, or feedback, and cluster related notes together so themes emerge at a glance. When mapping user flows, outline steps clearly from entry to exit. Consider how the flow translates across devices. What works on desktop might need a simplified path on mobile, so your framework stays adaptable. Finally, add collaboration and polish. Pull in icons and stickers from the library to highlight important areas or tag platforms, but use them sparingly so they guide the eye without creating clutter. Invite feedback with comments placed directly on the relevant element, and use stamps or reactions to quickly vote or acknowledge decisions. Treat the board as a living document. Update it, refine it, and keep it organized as your project grows. And that's it, a clean, logical, collaborative framework in FigJam that looks great and works even better.